HEML is an open-source markup language for building responsive email. Mail that displays well across many different client devices. Anyone who's tried to code responsive HTML for email knows what a tedious process that actually is. HEML takes care of the client specifics for you. Compared to working in raw HTML, or even working in some drag-and-drop editors, HEML enables you to work at a higher conceptual level and be more productive. Yet, if you've experience working with HTML, HEML will feel very familiar. Today, we'll build a sample email for Avocado Industries from scratch in HEML in just a few minutes, and we'll even turn it into a template that can be used with SparkPost. Today we'll use the editor that's built into the site heml.io. The editor's on the left and a preview box on the right. Let's remove that flying marquee header and set the subject. Content lives inside a container element. Let's add a level 1 heading and some text. Style with Georgia font, center. Let's choose green for the header and enlarge the left pane so we can see the code. Then add an anchor tag with placeholder image and link and a bit of vertical space. Add a row open and close, which is the HEML way to do table-based layout. Inside, add a column element. We have just one column taking up all the width. Now add a button element. You can see the small blue square on the preview. Add the text. Style this to be white on orange. And increase padding to make it stand out better. We create a row column to carry a logo image at the top of the page. We'll keep this left aligned. Let's add another column to carry social media links on the top right. Under the button, let's make a 2-column layout with text. By default, HEML divides the width evenly. Now a couple of level 2 headings inside anchor tags so they are clickable. Let's fix the style of those to match the main heading and remove the link underlines. Each column gets a placeholder image. Put some space above them. Now let's add a footer in a new container with a specific name so we can style it differently. Add in a row and column. Add a paragraph with named class containing a white image and text. Style the container with a background color and image. The color would be used if the image can't load. Add the footer title style and we see our image and text. Add some more text and style it white. Reuse those social media anchor tags, which will show up on dark green. Add a 3-column row with footer links for privacy, update, and unsubscribe. Replace those grey placeholder images with Creative Commons licensed ones. Now it's looking okay. Okay, that's HEML. Now let's turn this into a SparkPost template. Grab the code from the right side pane, paste into a new SparkPost template and send. Over in Gmail, hit refresh and here's the mail. Check the addresses, they look good. We have our sending domain with DKIM signature and custom bounce domain. In the template, a trick I used is to substitute with curly braces the from name, from email, subject, and reply to from the transmission time JSON data, so the stored template is truly generic. So to recap, we've seen how it's easy and fast to build email templates in HEML in around half the lines of equivalent HTML code. We created a nice looking email newsletter in about 100 lines. We controlled layouts, including images and side-by-side text blocks. We put in a fancy footer with a background image, sent the email, checked it looked good on Gmail, and we learned some basics of working with HEML. Online, there's more tips on how to get the best out of the simple yet powerful HEML elements and styling options. This HEML code and the images are in github.com for you to play with. Thank you for watching and happy sending.